Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A and let me show you how to update apps. So all you have to do is open the Play Store, then let's choose the settings and click on My Apps and Games. Here we've got the full list of apps which can be updated, and if you want to update all of them, simply click here, but if not, if you want to update only one app, simply click on the update near the app. For example, let's update messages. Now it has been transferred to the top of the list. And after installing, the messages will be updated to the newest version. So that's all. This is how you update apps in your Xiaomi Redmi 9A. And if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.